How to see posts you liked on X. Twitter 2026 ever liked a post on X and then spent ages trying to find it again? There is actually a super simple way to see every single post you have ever liked, and in the next 2 minutes I will show you exactly how to do it on both mobile and desktop. Welcome back, I am Daniel, and today we are covering how to find your liked posts on X in 2026. But before we get into the steps, there is one very important update you need to know about first. Let us get into it. Here is the big update. Since June 2024, X made all likes completely private for every user. This means other people can no longer see the post you have liked by visiting your profile. Only you can see your own liked posts. The post author can see who liked their post, and the total like count on any post is still visible to everyone, but your personal likes tab is now invisible to everyone except you. This change is still fully in effect as of 2026 with no plans to reverse it. Now here is how to see your own liked posts. On mobile, step 1, open the X app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2, tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. Step 3, tap Profile from the menu to go to your profile page. Step 4, once you are on your profile, look at the tabs listed under your bio. You will see posts, replies, highlights, articles, and likes. Tap on the Likes tab. Step 5, you will now see every post you have ever liked listed in order from most recent to oldest. Simply scroll through to find the post you are looking for. On desktop, step 1, open your browser and go to XCOM and log into your account. Step 2, click on your profile picture or your account name in the left side menu to go to your profile page. Step 3, look for the Likes tab sitting next to your other profile tabs. Click on it. Step 4, your full liked post history will appear and you can scroll through all of them at your own pace. Now what if you have liked thousands of posts and cannot find a specific one? Here is how to search through them. Go to X's search bar and type the following exactly from your username, then liked by, then any keyword related to the post you are looking for. This filters results and helps you track down a specific liked post much faster than scrolling manually. Pro tip, if you want to save posts privately without liking them publicly, use X's bookmarks feature instead. Tap the bookmark icon under any post to save it. Bookmarks are completely private, never visible to anyone else, and do not notify the post author, making them a much more discreet way to save content you want to return to later. So to recap, tap your profile picture, go to your profile, tap the Likes tab, and scroll through your full liked post history. It works the same way on both mobile and desktop. And remember, since June 2024, your likes are private, so nobody else can see what you have liked. If this helped you out today, hit that like button and subscribe for more X and social media tutorials every week. Did you know your likes were private? Drop your answer in the comments, I would love to know. It has been Daniel, see you in the next one.